Good evening, how's it going? It's Oldman Soul here. So this evening when I got home from work, went and watered my front lawn and some of my flowers. Right now they are just green foliage. There's no flowers blooming, so to say. I do have poppies, I do have daylilies out in the front there. So I can't take any pictures of those yet, but I did find this little tiny flower, and it's like white and purple with a little yellow bud in the middle. I have no idea where it came from. It just grew in my garden. It's very small, probably, I'm gonna say probably 3/8 at most in diameter, maybe even smaller. So one of my ventures I'm trying to do with photography is I'm trying to learn to do macro photography. I'm gonna learn to do focus stacking, stuff like that. But first I'm gonna start very small and just start to learn how to use that lens. So I have a Sony 100mm lens, 2.8 macro photography lens for my A60-700 camera. So I just went out in the front yard anyways, and I took a picture of this flower from a bit of a distance with the lens, of course. And then I started to get closer and closer type deal and got up to some macro photography. So myself, I'm kind of hooked on this. I'm blown away by the pictures. Yes, I'm gonna have to learn how to do better editing and stuff like that on my pictures, which will come in time. Be patient with me. I'm trying to learn everything as quick as possible. Basically watching YouTube videos, learning from other people how to do macro photography, wildlife photography, everything. I did that video there and photographs of the geese here by my pond, which was a lot of fun too. If things go well tomorrow, I will be heading out to it's a natural reserve place, just about 20 minutes from here. I'm gonna go do a little hike through it, and I'm just gonna see if I can do some macro photography, whether it's, who knows, mushrooms. I don't know if they're out this time of year yet. We haven't been getting much moisture, but I'll start looking for some flowers and stuff like that and see what I can do with this macro photography. But I thought I'd give you a little taste of that little flower I found in my garden this evening, and just threw on the lens and went with it, and hope you enjoy it. This is Oldman Soul saying see you next time.